Hi friends, today I am preparing immunity boosting laddus using a variety of grains and pulses. These are highly beneficial for both kids as well as elders. To prepare this, first I am roasting 1 cup of horse gram. In about 8 minutes it has turned aromatic and color has changed to a darker shade. Let's keep it aside to cool and repeat the same with fried gram. I have taken 1 cup of fried gram. Keep stirring it. The gram is roasted and is giving a nice aroma. Next, I am roasting 1 cup of groundnut. When it's done, the skin starts peeling and a slight color change is seen. This is roasted. Let's keep it aside and roast 1 cup of bajra. I am roasting this until it turns golden brown. Next up is green gram, for which I have used about 1.5 cups. The color has started changing and there's also a nutty aroma. Let's take it off the heat and roast 1 cup of brown chana. And the last grain is rice. I am using 1¼ cup of brown rice and roasted it by adding little at a time to the hot pan. When roasted, it starts puffing up. Once the rice is roasted and cooled down, I have prepared the powder from all the roasted ingredients separately and mixed all the powder together. Now that the powder is ready, I am adding half kg of jaggery and 1½ glass of water and heating it up to prepare the syrup. The jaggery is melted and the syrup is boiling. Continue stirring until it starts leaving the sides of the pan. The syrup is ready. To this, let's add the mixture and mix well. Now I have turned the flame to complete low and continued mixing until it's all mixed well. Let's remove this off the flame and prepare the laddus before it cools down. The tasty and healthy laddus are ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye!